Hello everyone, this is Val. This is how you do it. These are regular frozen patties, and I've seasoned them, and I'm going to fry each one of them and make some gravy. One onion and all the drippings or the meat that was cooked on the bottom of the pan is being cooked in with these onions, all the seasoning. Very important step. Brown, use your flour, or just put your flour in here to get that flour's taste. So you put it in here and cook it like this for a little while, so it'll be seasoned. Your flour will be seasoned in this. And while you're doing that, go ahead and season to taste with the seasoning that you want on here. Always season to your taste, the ingredients that you can have in your food. As you can see, that flour is turning a brown color. This is going to be a brown gravy. It will also turn brown if you just put the meat back in it. But cooking it changes the color also. Cooking it with the drippings and the scraps from the bottom of the pan. Mix your seasoning in. Now I'm not going to add chicken broth or wine or any milk or any fancy things like that. I'm just going to add water, because all of this has seasoning in it. The flour is going to be your thickener, and it also has seasoning in it. And so when you get through cooking this, it's going to taste really, really good, without trying to make your water flavor your meat. Your water don't flavor your meat. What you're cooking flavors your meat. Or what I'm saying, the chicken broth don't flavor your meat. The wine don't flavor your meat. This right here is your flavoring. This is the easiest way to make gravy, passed down from generation to generation. And you place your meat inside of it, whether it be chicken, liver, or whatever. You make your gravy just like what you seen. If you fried your liver, then you would take your liver out and make your gravy. If you fried your chicken, then you would take your chicken out and make your gravy. This just happened to be hamburger meat. Same process is done with any gravy that you're trying to make. I'm trying to make enough gravy once I put the meat back in here to cover the meat and let it simmer for a little while. As the gravy boil, it thickens. So don't be really concerned about it's getting, say, oh, you're watering it down. It has lots of flavor already in it. Now I'm going to place the meat in it. Help thicken it even more. You see how it's bubbling and thickening? Now you have your gravy to go over rice, potatoes, whatever you want. Or just over bread, grits, whatever. You have you some gravy. Let it simmer for a while. Let all that them juices soak into it. I'm gonna cut my fire down on just a simmer. As you can see, it has thickened back up. I'm just gonna turn them over to cook on the opposite side. They've already cooked, just to brown on the opposite side. And oh yeah, you can also do this same gravy with pork chops or steak or whatever. Salisbury steak, whatever you want to do. That's all to it. I am finished with making my my gravy. It has some onions in it, and they've been chopped really fine. Just want you to get a good look at it. And I will see all you beautiful, 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 beautiful people on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that everything button. And I'll see you later. Bye-bye now.